Hello. In a community, there will always be an issue or problems. It might be man-made or natural events. In order to avoid or fight these issues in our community, we should have knowledge about it. We should know the problem in order to find a solution. Today, we are going to talk about some of the issues in our community and what are the solutions to it. Well, there are a lot of issues in our community, but the most significant are these three. One is teenage pregnancy, number two, prone to flash floods, and number three is improper waste disposal. Teenage pregnancy has become one of the most common issue in the Philippines, especially in Davao City. Surprisingly, Davao City has the highest incident of teenage pregnancy with a rating of 15.9%. Such a problem could indeed lead to more dropouts among teenage girls who become pregnant due to their child's need for motherhood. The solutions are simple. Every teen should have wide knowledge about sex. That's why we should have sex education to educate teens what are the do's and the don'ts. Next is provide contraceptives to everyone. We all know that having sex is a pleasure to some people. Even teens can stop themselves from doing so. So to avoid unwanted pregnancy, every barangay should provide contraceptives. And lastly, every parent should guide their child and warn them about teenage pregnancy to avoid this. The second the second is prone to flash floods. This happens not just in our community but everywhere. Every time there's heavy rain, water rises, which is a problem because it might cause leptospirosis. Most flash flood is caused by slow moving thunderstorms. Thunderstorms repeatedly moving over the same area or heavy rains from hurricanes and tropical storms. Occasionally, floating debris or ice can accumulate at a natural or man-made obstruction and restrict the flow of water. To solve this issue, we should plant more trees and clean canals. The science behind this is that the trees are known for stopping floods because their roots absorbs water. Trees remove water from the catchment area, leading to a significant reduction in pressure on drainage systems in urban areas and a reduction in flood risk in rural areas by absorbing runoff from roads and agricultural areas. The third and last problem is improper waste disposal. Not only does this contribute to the creation of a greenhouse gas effects, but also causes significant harm to marine and wildlife. It has been noted that improper solid waste disposal and management can lead to air, soil, and water pollution because as it clogs drains, creating stagnant water for insect breeding and transmission of disease such as cholera. One of the first causes of poor waste management is a lack of public awareness, or more specifically, lack of awareness within businesses and poor attitudes. The solution to this is reuse materials whenever possible, recycle materials, and organized for government and industry to develop community recycling programs, collect, transport, and store waste safely, respect and pay fair wages to the people who do this work. Waste disposal is therefore a systematic action for managing waste from its origin to its final disposal. If there is constant change in temperature from the sun, the solid waste products should decompose faster. These are just the most significant problems in the many problems in our society. We should educate ourselves about the problems in our community to have solutions for it. I hope you learned something from me that you can use to help your society from suffering from these problems. Even as a student, we can help our community to be a better place for everyone. And thank you for watching, and you should apply these for yourself.